In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to register hotel on Booking.com. We'll walk through a clear, simple flow that takes you from choosing a destination all the way to locking in a room. Keep your travel dates handy and follow along on your screen. Start on the Booking.com homepage and look for the destination field near the top. Type the place you want to stay. This can be a city, a region, or even a country, and select the correct suggestion from the dropdown. Being specific helps the site show you more relevant places. So if you already know the city or neighborhood, go with that. If you're still exploring, starting broader is fine. You can always refine later. Next, open the date picker to choose your check-in and check-out dates. Click your arrival date on the calendar, then your departure date. Double-check the number of nights shown so it matches your plan. If your schedule is flexible by a day or two, making small adjustments here can sometimes reveal more options or better prices, but keep it aligned with your trip needs. Now, hit the search button. This loads a results page tailored to your destination and dates. Give it a second to populate. On the results page, browse through the hotels. Each listing typically shows photos, an overall review score, price details, a quick summary of amenities, and a hint of the location. Take your time here. Click into listings that catch your eye to see more photos, read recent reviews, and check what's included. As you compare, pay attention to cancellation terms and whether breakfast or other perks are part of the rate. If you're deciding between a few options, keep them open so you can compare room sizes, policies, and total prices for your dates. When a property looks promising, click See Availability. This brings up the exact room types offered for your dates, along with occupancy details, bed configurations, and the total price for your stay. Make sure the room you're viewing matches how many people are traveling and any preferences you have, like non-smoking or a particular bed setup. Once you've found the right room and rate, click I'll reserve. This selects the option and moves you into the reservation flow so you can secure it. At this point, you'll typically review your choice and proceed as guided on screen. If something doesn't look right, you can go back to the availability view and choose a different room. That's the full process. Pick your location, set your dates, search, browse thoughtfully, check availability, and click I'll reserve to move forward with your booking. Pause and replay as needed while you follow along.